Movie fact shorts are one of the most watched shorts across YouTube. People love watching movies, and they are always willing to learn more about their favorite movies and TV shows. But finding a fact from a movie is not that easy. You have to watch a movie multiple times to find few facts, which is very time-consuming. But what if I tell you there is a fast and easy way to do this without even watching the movie? Today, we will create a viral short that stands out from the competition, and you will not get any copyright issues if you watch this video carefully. I have done this by myself, so I have the experience and knowledge to guide you all. To create a viral short, we will use this special formula. For viral video ideas, you can check for the trending movies or TV shows, or simply choose a movie in which you are interested, as I am myself a Marvel fan, and Marvel movies are always trending, you know. But lately Marvel is providing scrap movies, so we will use old topics with a twist to create a viral short. You would be thinking, will the old movies work? So the answer is yes, they will definitely work. I will simply use ChatGPT to get my script. I will give ChatGPT a command to provide me unknown, hidden, dark, and highly engaging facts about Iron Man 1 that people don't actually know. Pretty simple. Now what I will do is copy-paste the fact that I find interesting in a notepad, and then I will replace those difficult words with simple words so that my script doesn't sound robotic. Now the script part is done here. Now to get voiceover, I am going to use 11Labs. Just paste your script here. Now to get different emotions for specific words in your script, you can simply write those words in capital letters inside of commas. And to get a small pause in your voiceover, use comma after your sentence is finished. This will give a small pause and a sense of realism to your voiceover. That's it. The remaining settings are not of any use right now. Just generate your voiceover. Now about the visuals, you can get visuals related to your scenes from YouTube. Download any video that you want to use with the help of any online video downloading tool. And if you want more clips like stock footages, you can use Pexels or Pixabay or even Canva. This step is pretty simple. You don't need any rocket science knowledge. Now import all your materials in any editing software that you use. Place the voiceover on the timeline. Remove the empty spaces from the complete voiceover. Take your time to do it. Fast pacing will keep the viewer hooked till the end. Then change the ratio into 9:16. Now place all the clips on the timeline. Now trim out the unwanted parts from the clips and only use clips relevant to your video. After doing that, adjust your clips on the screen. No need to adjust them on full screen. You can keep them something like this. Okay, so now what you want to do is add animations to the clips like zoom in, zoom out. Take your time here and choose animations wisely. Then to take it one step ahead, we will also use transitions. I would recommend you to add a mix-up of transitions like shake, rotate, page turn, camera shutter, and many more. And now to add soul in transitions, we will use different sound effects like whoosh sound effect for shake, page turn sound effect for turning page, camera click, sound effect for camera shutter, and so on. This way it will be difficult for the viewer to break the spell of retention that we just casted. Now to take things at a professional level, we will use graphics like arrow and circle to highlight the characters or hidden things in our visuals. This act will instantly catch the attention of the viewer and hook them till the end. And the last step, which doesn't seem much but is actually the heart of any short, the captions. In CapCut you can generate auto captions in just one click. And there are tons of templates that you can choose for your captions, and I suggest these short and fast captions, and I myself use them in my shorts. You can either change the color of your fonts just like Isaac does, but I would suggest to build your separate identity by choosing a unique color for your captions, like I am going to use blue color, and our edit is almost complete. Now I will simply use this random background audio that I downloaded using Pixabay. You can simply choose your audio while uploading your video on YouTube, or you can do the same download from Pixabay. Now the video is ready. Export the video and let's see the final results.
Before Robert Downey Jr. was cast, several other actors were considered for the role of Tony Stark, including Tom Cruise, Nicolas Cage, and Hugh Jackman. Downey Jr. was finally chosen due to his strong performance in the screen test and his ability to bring emotional depth to the character.
That was good, and while uploading videos on YouTube, remember one thing, it takes time to see results, so just be patient and consistent and keep working. Because according to my point of view, getting just 100 views is still better than not even trying. That was it for today. Don't forget to subscribe.